Hello and welcome back. This is video 2 and today we are going to create our drum track using the drum machine. To start off, we're going to go to the top left to add a track and we're going to select the third option down, drum machine. It will give you some options where you can load up some pre-existing beats, but we want to scroll down and have an empty start from scratch drum machine. As you can see right at the top, it already loads up some empty tracks for us with a section A pattern and a section B pattern, so you can create multiple different drum patterns, but we just want to get rid of these to start with, so let's get rid of the B section by clicking on it and clicking the backspace button. Okay, we're going to use this empty A pattern here at the top. We can change the sound of our drums here and you can click on the play buttons to listen. You've got drum kits, which are real sounding drums, and you've also got drum pads, which are electronic drum sounds. We're going to use 909. We're going to be using this to recreate our song. This represents a bar, and you can see it's split into 4 sections, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4. Clicking on the squares will add a beat, and clicking on the same square again will delete it. On the left hand side we have our parts of the drum kit, so our kick drum, snare drum, toms, cymbals. I'm just going to start with putting in a kick drum first. We're going to make a house drum pattern, so I'm going to put kicks on beats 1, 2, 3 and 4 to start with. Let's have a listen. Nice fall to the floor pattern. Now I want to add in some closed hi-hat. Let's go and put this a little bit offbeat for a syncopated rhythm. Let's have a listen. Nice, got a very nice house vibe. I'm just going to make the ending a little bit funkier by adding a couple more kick drums. Make sure you have recreated this pattern. Okay, so I'm going to come out of my drum machine now and I want to move it around. I can see it's on the first 4 bars here, and you can drag it around by grabbing and dragging it like this. I'm going to put it to start on bar 5 because I'm going to have an introduction here a bit later on. Let's extend the drum part now. I'm going to loop it by dragging this circle arrow on the top. And I'm going to drag it. We want this drum sound to go on for quite a while, so drag it to the end of bar 14. Once you have done that, make sure to save your work. In the next video, we are going to be importing some chords from BandLab Sounds.